Oh, I've never met your family before, Flabble. I've only met your brother. I know it's gonna be really fun over here.
Okay, let's turn the wheel. I'm so excited. So how many people are in your family?
Quite a few.
Oh, so what kind of birds are
They're chickens.
they? I didn't know you had chicken.
Well, yeah, I'm a chicken.
You're a chicken. Cool. Let you fly. Is there something wrong with that? Let's go. So how much further?
We're about another hour or so away.
I can't wait.
Couldn't you have just used your magic to teleport us there?
Oh, I don't know why I didn't think of that. Come on, let's do that. Alright, we're here. Hello, you must be Wabble's family.
Oh, hello.
Who are you? I'm Poochie Goat, the Pluto of Gotland. And this is Wabble, your son.
Oh, yeah. I'm Mayo. I'm a silky chicken. It's nice to meet you, Poochie.
Well, yeah, I didn't know he was a chicken.
Well, he is. Well, this is my, daughter, Coco. And that's Pickles, my sister. And that's Salt, my son. Well, I have a few more, family members, but they aren't here right now. They went somewhere to the store for a little bit. They'll be back.
Oh, well, we just came by to visit. Or spend the night or something. Me and Baba. So I guess this is where you sleep.
Yep, this is where we sleep. But we don't really have any place for a goat.
Oh, it's okay. I'll find somewhere to sleep. But,
You guys are really cute.
hey Mayo, I've never seen a chicken so fluffy like you. What are you?
Well, I'm a silky chicken. That's why I'm so fluffy. And, Coco right here, she's a silky. And, Salt, he's a silky. Even, Freeford's a silky too. That's why we're all fluffy.
Wait, hold on. I thought Flabber was a toy.
This whole time you said that I wasn't a toy.
Well, my friends say that Flabber's a toy. Is he really?
No. There's no way he's a toy.
Wow, this is a really cool place. But, what is that up in the air?
What do you mean?
That thing.
Oh my gosh. What is that? Oh my gosh. That's Night Spike. Come on, let's get in here. Oh my gosh. Everybody, come down here. Me?
Oh my gosh. Is everybody down here?
Everybody, including the Spike Knight, I guess. Freebird, grab on.
Flabber? Guys, I just lost Flabber.
No.
Flabber. Grab on. Poochie, grab on. Okay, now we have to stop that. What was he called again?
To be honest with you, I don't know. But let's get out there and save the day.
Yeah, come on, Flabber.
Oh my gosh, where did they go?
I don't know.
Coco, can you go... Salt, can you go see?
Oh.
Oh my gosh, you guys have changed colors? It must be the work of Night... the Spike Knight.
Well, we just powered up. We're gonna destroy the Spike Knight. Flabber, do your thing. Huh? No. I'll be back. I'll get Spike Knight some food while I'm out. Okay? Bye. How does it taste, guys?
Ah, it's the best thing I've ever had. What is this? Yeah, what is this?
It's just food.
I like it though.
Oh my gosh, Reggie. Well, they'll never know. Do 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 do.